World Championships, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of expectations, and of course there's pressure. Sort of expectations and pressure, what do you want? I mean, in terms of both?
I want performance, so I just hope that I give my best. Um, I know it's going to be a very tough tournament, and every round is going to be very, very tough. But at the same time, I have trained hard. I've prepared quite well, and I just hope I can fulfill the expectations, and I'll just try to do my best. And I'm also quite confident, and I'm sure I'll do it.
Okay, when you talk about performance and when you say the World Championship, how is it different from a Super Series and a World Championship? I know the World Championship is a much more important tournament, but when it comes to performance, how do you raise your levels?
It's a different tournament. Obviously, everyone they come prepared over here. They train really hard for this tournament because it's the biggest tournament of the year, and everyone just wants to be world champion. So they come with that mood over here. So in that way, it's different, and World Championships are a little bit different than the Super Series title because it's it's a little higher than the Super Series level, and only one person gets to be the world champion. But at the same time, it's very important for all the players because it's a very prestigious one.
Being world number 2, is it a heavy burden on your shoulders at this juncture?
But some point of time I want to be world number 1, so it's better to take the pressure right now and see how it feels to be world number 2, and then I think in the future it should not be a problem for me. But right now, it's a tough job to be at number 2 position, and at this level nobody cares about the ranking. It's only about the performance, and every girl is prepared so well, and they also don't really think I'm playing against world number 2 or world number 10. They just give best to any of the top players, so that way ranking hardly matters.
When one speaks about your game, they always say fitness. Is fitness the key point to your winning any tournament or the key point to your performance?
Yeah, it is. It plays a big role in my game, but at the same time, I have improved a lot of my strokes this year, and I have improved a lot of strength this year. So it's not only on fitness, but I have also improved a lot of strokes. That way, I can actually store my energy and play the other matches also well. So it was before till last year. It was all fitness, but now this year I have improved a lot on the strokes also.